Kuliah Fibro Shisien Pat kijemput namta kuwar Laitkam te Laitkam Dsc biang HAPOH Eastern West KHASI District KUMBA South Tylli post te kibakwa ban apply te sapej ye video hadu bakut ki jinon kam bat ki kita post ki badai balai HAPOH Eastern West KHASI MAIRANG te kene advertisement la pelaj ka arpnyo trik February arjar arpsan. The District Selection Committee Eastern West KHASI District MAIRANG invite online application from junior citizen. Baik mak kat menta kat balaja kam HAPOH KDSC preference baik kidai kipo napo ke district. Preference will be given to local candidate residing permanently in Eastern West KHASI District in which the vacancy occur. Tekan mau bahai kani mut ba ki ke preference kadai be ki ba napo ke district tang ba ki barabar district ru kila banyo lada ki biang lane ki duna kine ki ba napo ke district. Te kasyong menta tang ka preference kadai be firstly yaki ba napo ka district te ba kwa ban apply kila ban apply na bar district ru wa desirous to apply as per term and condition in the advertisement for filling up the following vacancy te ka last date nam ta kane kanwa ba ka last date ban apply nam ta kane kadai arpra tarik upanai march arjar arsan kadai apply online kumju hi kumba apply ke MPSC lane DSC jong gino district kadai ka ju hi uju password uju email te sale ya kabaran kam te ki post ki balai long kum ka reservation roster kebaningkong LDA Lower Division Assistant dan Khasan Tylli Kipus Nriu UR Kandai Tylli KHASI Jenja bat karo mutbaya khilang haju and level 5 pass class 10 and computer knowledge with typing speed not less than 30 words per minute to be ascertained through technical test kemudba kandon ka typing test ru dan kami kat computer knowledge lane pass class 10 sectional assistant R Tylli Kipus kawai UR kawai KHASI Jenja anggaru kaneda pass class 10 fill up and apply mechanic kawai UR dan kawai UR kene level 4 kene pass class 10 with diploma in mechanical engineering or its equivalent mechanic group 1 dan kawai kene UR level 5 kene class 10 pass with ITI certificate in motor mechanic or 5 years service as mechanic grade 2 mechanic grade 2 R Tylli Kipus R Tylli UR kene level 4 Kaneru pass class 10 with pass diploma in mechanical engineering or ITI certificate or in motor mechanic like automobile repair and agri mechanic like power tiller tractor bulldozer extra and driver Santli R Tylli UR Lait Tylli KHASI Jenja kane pass class 8 dependon ika driving license jong ka LMV lane HMV ka bafidon tama dependon driving license experience in driving shall be preferred must have fair knowledge of repairing defect take experience ru kin page hi naga driving license dependon ika knowledge ru ban shnai kali ban repair manumala tatarten and banyo operator dan takaway level 1 kane pass class 10 must hold of valid cinema operator's license and should able to operate repair cinema equipment, PA equipment and fix loudspeaker system independently. And kawapra kanai grade 4 Katno Tylli Kipus South Tylli UR Lait Tylli KHASI Jenja level 1 kini ki khamtam lai le kanai ka UR kmut ba ki ba nabar district ru khameyo and rebanya compare kanai ka KHASI Jenja bade kin khamshim kin kam prefer hi napo ka district nakatu hi ka district ki local candidate napo ka district Tira damdon mono tekan shim iki bana bar district ru te baro ki post ki long south Tylli baro te lada pi ko apna apply packet kum ka ki number of post packet kum ka qualification lada pi long bana apply te sa apply tekan mau ka apply ka debi online ka snem ka debi khat pra hadu live hunyo snem mar ka tarik kan page ka de hadu shi tarik banai manikong arjar opsan per age limit mo la khin pa per age limit long san snem mo khat pra hadu live hunyo snem kibo ko apply ila ban apply then ka payment fees ka debit sanpho kawai ka post kanwa bhai kata sanpho kawai ka post te la rapijit sau santali te san apsan aspa sanpho la santali aspa sanpho mta tarter te ban apply apply online me ka website makerecruitment.nic.in dengan sabuk biar description Tiki buku apply kalau ada register kan sure apply by direct dan kam sure ban register ilade kalau ada ban apply DSC tank dan ban apply MPSC tank tekan sure apply by direct dan kam sure ban register ilade. Te kumbang ajula man kapor kiba kwa ban apply bagan pin apply manga te kibla don lupa nomor kibla don lupa group kin sure message dengan sa yarap ban pin apply ki te ki bom padan dengan sabu WhatsApp group HAPOH ka description ru kelak ban join kelak ban message ta tar ter tangkan ne hi ki jempetip kulesh